Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file an income tax complaint against someone. First, you need to understand what constitutes tax fraud or evasion. Next, gather all the relevant documentation and evidence that supports your claim. This includes identifying the specific individual or business you are reporting. Having clear and concise information is crucial for the process to move forward effectively. Let's get started. To make your complaint effective, you must gather essential information. This includes full names, current addresses, and social security or employer identification numbers for the parties involved. Be sure to detail specific dates, monetary amounts, and clear descriptions of the alleged tax violations. Providing copies of supporting documents, such as invoices, bank statements, or emails, significantly strengthens your case. Accuracy is key here. Now, let's talk about submitting your complaint. The primary method is to use the official government form, often known as Form 3949A or Information Referral. Carefully complete this form, attaching all your gathered evidence. Then, mail the entire package to the designated tax fraud address provided by the tax authority. While you can remain anonymous, including your contact information might assist with further inquiries. Once your complaint is filed, the tax authority will thoroughly review your submission and all the evidence you provided. Based on this information, an investigation may be initiated. It's important to understand that, generally, you will not receive ongoing updates regarding the progress or outcome of the investigation due to privacy regulations. Your role is to provide accurate information, and the authorities will handle the rest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.